Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aqua, tsaka mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na mababasa po natin para sa buwan ng Pebrero. At gusto ko pong batiin kayo ng advance happy Valentine's Day. Okay? We have twin flame recognition. Let go of the past. And freedom. Okay, so okay, Aqua, ikaw na yung pang-apat na zodiac sign na nabasahan ko na may twin flame. Now, same with Gemini. You might be dealing with a Gemini Aqua. So, yung twin flame recognition, ang explanation ko nga dito is, ito yung isang kaluluwa na hinati ni God into two, para maging two souls, at nag-reincarnate sila every lifetime, kasi may mga pagkakataon na kailangan pa nilang may matutunan sa bawat isa, para mas maayos nila ang kanilang sarili. At pagdating ng panahon na okay na sila o handa na sila, ito yung time na mamimit niya yung ka-twin flame niya ulit para to have that union. Ang union na yun is yung pagsasama nyo. So yung dalawang kaluluwa na yun is supposed to be magsama silang dalawa to be as one. Okay? Kasi pag magkasama na silang dalawa, may purpose kasi sila dito sa earth, no? Kung ba't sila pinagsasama. Kasi for some spiritual reasons, no, makakatulong sila sa nakakarami. Okay? Kung ano man yung gagawin nilang dalawa is something for them to discover, na but it is something to do with the spiritual realm. Okay? Na yung gagawin nila is talagang nakakatulong sa nakakarami. Okay? Now, yung recognition dito is malalaman mong siya yon kasi halos parehong-pareho kayo. You mirror each other. Yun yung ano dun eh. Yun yung pinaka-keyword, mirror. So, kung ano ka, meron din siya. Pareho kayo. Kaya, pag magkikita kayo, marirecognize mo siya eh. Instantly, na parang merong lukso ng dugo na tinasabi nila na makikilala mo na this person is somebody special to me. As if I know this person already. May sense of familiarity. At alam mo na kahit papano, maybe, nagkita na kayo before. Something like that. Okay, so, hindi po lahat ay makakapag-experience ng ganito. Only a few would have this experience. Kaya swerte nyo po kung kayo would go through. But it is not easy. Okay, hindi siya po madali. Kasi imagine niyo life after life after life, nagkikita kayo, kasi ang dami nyo pang kailangang ayusin. Usually po, itong twin flame is somebody is older and somebody is younger. So, hindi sabay na nagre-reincarnate. Kasi nga baka yung isa, meron pang kailangang ayusin sa buhay niya, at yung isa nauna na. Okay? So, meron din part dito na sinasabing, let go of the past. No, kailangan, kung ano man yung mga nangyari sa'yo, yung mga excess mo, let go mo na yan. Huwag ka na mag-dwell on. Huwag mo nang pag-isip-isipan yan o damdamin pa. Kalimutan mo na siya kasi what is important is for you to move forward. hindi mo mamimit itong twin flame mo kung meron ka pang pinangahawakan ngayon o yung past mo. Okay? That's why dito, importante yung freedom. Okay? This is really giving space, no? Diyan sa heart mo. Pag dumating na tong twin flame. Kailangan kasi you are not in a relationship o hindi ka involved sa iba. Kailangan you're totally free para maging kayo. Okay? So, kung mayroon kang ka-relationship ngayon or sabihin natin you're married, hindi ngayon yung panahon na mangyayari yung union na yon. Kailangan ayusin nyo muna yung current situation nyo bago kayo mag-move forward to meeting your twin flame. Okay? So, tignan natin yung sa tarot kung ano yung message. We have the Page of Coins, the Empress, the Ten of Coins, the Knight of Swords, and the Nine of Coins. Bottom niya is the Magician. Okay, Aqua. So, yung Magician dito, this is an energy coming from a Gemini or a Virgo. Ito yung kasi yung energy na binibigyan ka lahat ng kailangan mo para magamit mo ito para sa mga araw-araw mong pangangailangan o sa pag-ibig. No, this gift that was given to you by God are all the four suits of the tarot, which is yung cup, yung pentacles, yung wands, at saka yung swords. Yung apat na yan. Now, you're given the love, the money, resources, the practicality in life, the passion, and of course, honesty and communication. So, lahat yan, kailangan mo yan para for you to pursue yung goals mo sa buhay. For you to be able to meet the right person in your life. You have to use this wisely, syempre. Dahil kung hindi mo gagamitin ng tama, sayang naman yung, di ba, yung purpose niya sa buhay mo. Now, with the Nine of Wands, you're given this tool kasi para hindi ka makaramdam ng pagod. No? Hindi mo maramdaman yung pagod. Pagod saan? Sa pag-intay ng bagong pag-uumpisa. No? Bagong pag-uumpisa. Something very passionate. Kasi kung intay ka ng intay, pakiramdam mo parang kailan pa, di ba? Dapat tayo, we were given this tool kasi just to, move forward with our life. Gamitin natin sa ating sarili para ma-improve tayo. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, hanggat hindi mo naayos yung sarili mo, if God sees you na hindi ka pa ready, hindi ka pa prepared, then hindi mo mamimit talaga yung ka-twin flame mo. Hindi pa, not in this lifetime. Kaya nga, if you're given this gift, then use it wisely. Diba? Para hindi ka napapagod maghintay. Now, ano ba yung natin, yung nakaraan? Maybe there was an offer sa'yo, no? Something solid, but just a small token, kung ba nag-umpisa pa lang yung offer na to sa'yo. But I think what you were looking for is something big, something talagang, kung ba ibonggahan na. Yun yung inaabangan mo, kung ba yun ang mas gusto mong mangyari. Hindi yung ganitong maliit pa lang, umpisa pa lang. Kasi, ang inaasam mo ay itong Ten of Coins. Having it all. No, gusto mo sa'yo lahat. Siyempre, kahit sino naman, di ba? Gusto mo lang ma-meet yung right person, yung partner mo in life. Gusto mong magkaroon ng pamilya, mga anak. Gusto mong magkaroon ng magandang bahay. Gusto mong magkaroon ng magandang kotse. Gusto mong magkaroon ng maraming pera sa bangko? Gusto mong makapunta sa iba-ibang bansa? Gusto mo na yung marami pang kayamanan? No? Lahat yun. Material and emotional things, no, na magpapaligaya sa'yo is what you wanted. That is why you want things to happen fast, no? Maging mabilis. Maging mabilis na sana yung pagtakbo ng buhay. Yung hinihiling ko, yung pangyayari na to. Pero ang advice sa'yo is, huwag ka magmadali. Kasi, kailangan mo muna mag-focus sa sarili mo. No? Sa sarili mo muna. 9 of Coins. Kasi ito yung kailangan mong bigyan ng panahon ngayon. Yourself. You need to improve yourself. You need self-love first. Bago ka makapunta dito sa 10 of Coins. Okay? Now, but andito yung Page of Coins. We have the Star. We have the Page of Wands. And the Strength. Yung offer sa'yo is something na maybe it was a wish fulfillment. But it is something na kung gaba parang nadidevelop pa lang. Hindi pa siya ganun kalakas yung nararamdaman mo for this person. Kasi the way you see things is parang the way you measure it, no? Parang maliit pa lang to eh. Yung kung gaba parang maybe it was just at the beginning, no? Umpisa pa lang naman eh, kaya parang wala pa talaga. Goba, hindi pa na i-establish yung pundasyon na yon, yung solid foundation na yon. Do yun yung plano niya, no, ma-establish nga yun, but ikaw, you see it na parang hindi pa, kasi nga bata pa eh, o bago pa lang. Bakit andito yung Empress? We have the 10 of Wands, the 9 of Wands, and the Magician. Yung expectation mo na something na talagang really grand and beautiful and big and abundant, medyo nagiging burden sa'yo. Maybe because you keep waiting for that thing to happen. No, na magtipong matupad na sana. Di ba? As in, parang mag-magic na. As in, bang, ayan ka na. Nagiging burden tuloy. Bakit andito yung 10 of Coins? Ba't andito yung 10 of Coins? We have the 10 of Swords, Justice, and the Chariot. Hindi masama to dream of having it all. Kung lalo na pagtatrabahuhan mo yan, no? But pero parang ang dating kasi is because of that parang wish mo to fulfill this. Ang nangyayari din is nagkaroon din ng ending yung partnership. No, because I think you made that decision to move forward. Merong nag-ending din dito sa partnership na to. Kaya, kung gaba parang naging questionable yung 10 of Pentacles na matuloy. Bakit andito yung Knight of Swords? We have the Three of Swords, the Eight of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Wow. Dahil nga gusto mong maging mabilis lahat, yung movement, o magkaroon ng paggalaw, no? Here. Kasi dito pa lang, movement din to, no? You want change. So, nagkaroon ng change, gumalaw. Ang nangyari, ayan, na heartbroken ka tuloy. Because somebody left. And now, you're thinking, what happened? Bakit? Ano nangyari? No? Ano nangyari? Ba't ako na heartbroken? Bakit siya umalis? Bakit nagkaroon ng ending? So, ngayon, bakit andito yung Nine of Cups? We have the Emperor, the Seven of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Kaya nung after, no, na-realize na wala, nasaktan lang ako dito sa relationship na to, ano sinasabi sa'yo? Focus on yourself. Diba? Focus on yourself because that person na ini-expect mong dadating sa'yo because you happen to be the Empress, dadating yan. Yung itong Emperor na to, the person that you might be waiting for, no, yung iniintay mo, that is very passionate towards you. Mag-focus ka lang sa sarili. Okay? Kasi, if you already know how to love yourself, then, ma-attract mo yung right person to come into your life. Okay? Itong person na to is somebody who is older than you. Maybe more established na siya. Mas ano siya, yung kabang boss. Pwedeng a father figure na. May katungkulan, mature, serious. Ganun yung dating niya. Which is what you are waiting for. Yun yung iniintay mo o yung hoping to meet. And very action-oriented. Passionate towards you. Good-looking. Diba? Yun yung characteristics ng mga gusto mo eh. Now, tignan natin. Ano yung advice? Appreciate this moment. Every situation is an opportunity to grow and find love. Yeah. Diba? Kaya huwag mo anihin na if even you're focusing on yourself, ito yung magiging way or mitya para ma-meet mo itong person na to. Okay? Aqua? Ano ba zodiac sign nakikita natin dito? Be an Aries, o may Aries siya sa kanyang chart, Cancer, Leo, Aquarius just like you, Taurus, Libra, another Libra, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and of course, Gemini, and another Libra, and Aquarius just like you. So, yun yung mga possible zodiac sign. Gemini, Virgo. Okay? So, yun yung mga ano lang. If in case you're interested, but not necessarily. Okay? So, ano pang gusto nating alamin? Kailan makikita ni Aqua yung kanyang Emperor? O yung person na talagang makakatuluyan niya na. Yeah. Yung person na talagang makakatuluyan niya na. Around May. Wow. Around May. Tingnan natin kung ano yung characteristics ng person mo is makulit, protective, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. So, meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Kulot ang buhok, mas bata sa'yo, masipag. Okay. So, it could be somebody na ito yon yung ibang mga characteristics, or it could be this person na may ganitong characteristics. Okay? Just to give you an idea. Okay? So, maraming salamat Aqua sa pagsama mo sa akin. I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo. Maraming salamat at sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.